Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm Shaheer Khan and today I'm making a video on a toy. So first of all, let me tell you something. Okay, so today when I returned home from school and I was going upstairs when I heard some strange noises like wow wow. First I thought that they were my brothers making strange noises, but then I realized that they must be cartoons because my brothers cannot make noises like that. But when I went upstairs and I was shocked to see that the dinosaurs had arrived. Yes, the dinosaurs. Okay. So these are the things I need, and here is the dinosaur. And my grandmother and my grandfather sent it from America, and my aunt also sent for my brothers and me, and there were three of them, but my brothers were all already playing with their dinosaurs. I couldn't try, but now I'm going to open mine. So I'm so excited and see Smart Dinosaur by Fun Little Toys. Here is the dinosaur. Okay, and here is the remote, and see, these are the pictures. So now let's open the dinosaur. Oh, it opens like this. Wait, here is a tape. Hey, here I have my dinosaur. The tail. See, the tail is separate. Oh, here is the dinosaur. Okay. Hey guys, just look at this. Okay, and now let's see if there's anything else in the box. Okay, here is the manual and the charger and a bottle, and we put the box here. And now let's just open this. Wait, how can we get it out of here? Wait, tapes. I wonder that why they need tapes here. Oh. Okay, so first of all, here is the remote. I can't get it out. Okay, here we go, guys. And we put it here. Okay, so here is the dinosaur. So I think the bottle is right going here. Okay, so first of all, let's fit the tail. I can't. I don't know why, but I can't. Or maybe like this. No. Finally. And now let's turn this on. Wait, it isn't charged, or the remote isn't on. So first of all, let's put the cells in the remote. So which one I need? Okay, I need I need this one. Okay. Okay, so here we have opened it, and now let's put cells. Oh, so the remote is on. Okay, it isn't charged. Wait. What is it? I'll have to put cells in it, or maybe it has a battery that can be charged. Oh yes. So hey, the battery isn't connected. So guys, just check that how big the battery is. Wait, here is the charger for the battery, but right now I don't think I'll have to charge it because the battery wasn't connected. Oh, so first of all, hey. Okay, if I put here, it will come to me if I press this button. Oh. It isn't coming to me. It should. Oh. Okay, so this means that the dinosaur will go round and round and round. Okay, so guys, okay. Like this. Actually, guys, this is fun. Come on. Wait, what's happening? Okay, so guys, I think the battery is low, so I'll have to charge it. So meet you after a while. First of all, let me charge it. So guys, the battery has charged, and I put it in the dinosaur. So now it's time to test it. Here I have the remote in my hand, and we turn it on. Hey! What's happening? Wait. Wait, I think Hassan is controlling it. Wait, he's crying. Oh. Actually, he needs all the 3 dinosaurs, and he's crying. But what? Hey. Okay, so this is the spray mode. Oh, Hassan, stop controlling it. Wait. Oh, hey guys, it's working. Come here, come here. Oh, that actually works. Steam. Oh, wait, where did I put the bottle? Wait, Hassan's trying to operate it. Okay. Here is the bottle, and we will have to put water right here. Press any button. Actually, we have to press any button to deactivate the following mode. So here I have a glass of water. Hey. I have to fill it properly to. Okay, so actually I think that's enough, and so it's taking time to fill. Okay, so it's full, and now let's just try to. Oh, guys. Ouch. What was that? Oh. That was just a table. Come here, come here, come here. Wait. So actually, guys, I really like this dinosaur. Please don't throw the water, dinosaur. Guys, I'm pretty sure that was Hassan. I don't know that why he's operating my dinosaur. Just look at this. Just look. And now I won't let him. He's trying to cancel the following mode. But I won't let him, because if he does by pressing a button like this, I will do this and come on. If you did like the dinosaur, and before ending the video, I'm going to show you the following the follow mode, and now let's go. Ready and wait. Just look at this mode. Just see how it's following me. buy it from Amazon, and the link is in the description. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.